Why invest in Balanced Advantage Funds, BAFs, in 2025? If you're a new or inexperienced investor, here's why financial experts recommend Balanced Advantage Funds, BAFs. Dynamic portfolio. BAFs invest in a mix of equity, debt, and arbitrage opportunities, automatically adjusting equity exposure based on market valuations. When markets are high, they invest less in stocks. When valuations are attractive, they increase equity exposure. This balancing act helps you avoid buying at high prices and maximizes returns during dips. Deal for lump sum investments. With their flexibility, BAFs are perfect for parking a large sum while managing market risks. Risk-managed growth. While BAFs aren't completely risk-free because they invest in stocks, they're designed to reduce volatility and limit downside risks. Features to look for in a BAF. Timely portfolio rebalancing. Ensure the fund actively adjusts its investments to align with its strategy. Long-term focus. Invest with a horizon of at least 5 years to ride out short-term market volatility. Consistency in performance metrics. Look at key factors like mean rolling returns to assess steady performance. Low downside risk to avoid extreme losses. High Jensen's alpha, indicating superior risk-adjusted returns. Top Balanced Advantage funds to consider in 2025. Here are our handpicked recommendations based on rolling returns over the last 3 years, low downside risk, strong outperformance in equity and debt portions, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund, 12.8%, 3 years rolling returns, downside risk, low, asset size, rupees, 46,000 crores, ICICI Prudential BAF, 13.1%, 3 years rolling returns, downside risk, moderate. Asset size, rupees. 500 crores, SBI Balanced Advantage Fund. 11.5%, 3 years rolling returns. Downside risk, low. Asset size, rupees 12,000 crores. Note, key takeaways. Past performance is not indicative of future returns. EFs are not completely risk-free. Be prepared for market ups and downs. Ensure the fund you pick adheres to its stated strategy and consistently rebalances its portfolio. Deal for investors with a moderate risk appetite and a long-term perspective. Ready to start your investment journey? Speak to an advisor today and make an informed choice. Drop your questions below or DM us for detailed insights into these funds.